What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing a cartoon version of Ninja. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So we're going to move over to the left side and draw in a circle. Starting from the very top, we'll work our way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing over on the right. So we want to line up the top of the circle, come down to the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight on the top left of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye on the left, come around, and then back out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw that same size circle in the center of the eye, but we're going to tuck this in behind the highlight. So start at the bottom, come down, around, and then back out. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move to the center of the face and draw on the nose. We want to line this up with the bottom edge of the eyes. So we'll start on the left side, curve down, and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw a shorter curve in the opposite direction of the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw in his mouth. Starting back on the left side, curve down, and then up. I'm just going to add a small bracket on the corners of the mouth. On the left, and then right. Now I'm going to move back up and draw the eyebrows. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw a curve that goes over the eye, and then back down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up, and then down. Now we want to thicken up the eyebrows. We start back on the left side. We're going to go up a little bit higher in the middle, and then pull that down towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to go to the outside and draw the lower half of the head. Starting from the left eye, we're going to step out, draw a half circle. Moving down, underneath the mouth. I'm just going to pull that up on the right side, right beside the eye. Now from the top, we're going to bump out the side of the head going up towards the bottom edge of the headband. So let's start on the left. We'll go out and then up. Just lined up with the top edge of the eyebrow. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll connect the left and right side with a curve, just going up above the eyebrows. So go up in the middle, and then bend that down on the right. Let's draw on the edge of the hair. Starting back down on the left, go up, and we'll bend that in. Now we're going to draw two straight lines going up the side of the headband. Let's start on the left side, go straight up to right about there. Do the same thing on the right to the same height. Now I'm going to connect the left and right side with the same curve, but we're going to add the hair going up on top. So let's start on the left. Start by curving up and in. Stop right about there. We're going to layer the hair on top. From here, we're going to go out and then down. Now I'm going to taper that back up and over towards the right. Let's add one more point of hair. Going out and then down. I'm going to go all the way up towards the top of the headband. And then we'll continue that curve, going out and then down on the right side. Now back over on the left side, I want to continue this curve going up and then over towards the right. We'll go up towards the top, and we'll just bend that down. Now we're going to draw the hair brushed over towards the left side. So we start on the right side at the very top of the headband, curve out and then up, and then I'm going to taper that back down and then in. Let's add another point going up. Go straight up, bend that in, and do a short curve coming back down. Now we want to wave the hair going across and then up towards the top. So let's start down here, start with a curve going up. We're going to go across towards the left. Now we're just going to bend that back up. going out, and then up. Let's taper this back down. Starting at the top, come down, and then across towards the right. Now we're going to do an overlap. From the top, step down, draw another curve, going out, and then up, and then again. We're going to come down, and then in. Let's add a few more points coming down towards the left side of the head. So halfway down this curve, go out and up, and again, we're going to pull this down, and then in, and go out again, another point, come down, and across. We're going to pull this in a little bit further. Now we do one more overlap. Stepping out, curve out and up, and we'll pull this down and in towards the left corner of the headband. Let's add a little bit more texture to the hair. Starting on top of the headband on the right, we're going to curve up, and then over towards the left. On top of this hairband, go out and up, come down toward the left, and draw one shorter curve. Now we're going to move down to the side and add the headphones. From the bottom corner of the headband, draw a straight line going out, and the same thing on the right. Now we're going to round out the side of the headphones. Starting from the top, curve out, and then pull that in. And do the same thing on the right. Come down to the same height, and we'll pull that straight in behind the head. Then we'll add a trim going across the headphone. Starting from the top on the inside, we'll step out, just follow that same curve going out, and then back in. Do the same thing on the right. From the top corner of the headphone, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going up, and pull that in behind the headband. We'll line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now back to the left side, from that corner, we're going to step in and curve up and in towards the top corner of the headband. Now we want to draw the end of the headband coming down from the left side. So underneath the headphone, curve down and out, draw a straight angled line coming down and in. We'll draw that same curve going in behind the head. Let's move down and draw the sides of the body. Over on the left side, just underneath the head, and curve out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and we'll do the same thing. Come down to the same height. Let's close off the bottom. Starting on the left, come down, and we'll bend that up. Now let's go back to the top and add the collar. Starting on the left side, just underneath the chin, we'll draw a half circle. Come down, and then up. Now I'm going to continue working down with the legs. In the center, we'll move down and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, come down, and we'll bend that up towards the toe, and do the same thing on the right, making sure the feet are the same length. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. It's almost like a half circle going up, and then we're going to bend that down, aiming towards the heel, stop right about there. I just want to bend this back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the toe, curve up, bend that down towards the heel, and then we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. We'll also add a small half circle on the top of the foot for the tongue of the shoe. Do the same thing on the right side. Then we'll add the bottom edge of the pant. Starting from the bottom of the tongue, come down and up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up and draw the side of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve out, and down and in towards the top of the tongue. And the same thing on the right side. We're also going to add some pockets along the side. Starting on the left side, curve down and out. The same thing on the right. Let's move back down and thicken up the sole. We want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, so right here, curve out and down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now let's go back to the left side and draw the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle, coming in and back out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, and we'll add the bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start at the bottom of the thumb, come down, round out the finger, and then go up around that bracket. Let's add 2 more fingers. Stepping down, curve down, and up the second finger. And then the third finger is going to go out, up. We'll just bend that up and in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. And lastly, we'll add the sleeve of the shirt. Starting from the top of the arm on the inside, we'll step down, curve up, and then out towards the outside of the arm. Line this up on the right. Do the same thing. And that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon drawing of Ninja. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.